The stunning village of Lindos on the beautiful island of Rhodes. It's a must visit when you're in this part of Greece. It's quaint and it's quintessentially Greek. It retains much of its character, and that's in part thanks to its strict planning laws. That means that many of the larger hotels are situated just outside of the village. One such example is the Lindos Grand Resort and Spa that we will show you in this very video. Please like and consider subscribing to our channel, and we hope that you enjoyed the review.
Hello, come in, welcome to room 1207 here at the Lindos Grand Resort in Lindos, in Rhodes. So, come in, this is a deluxe sea view room.
I think it's classed as a suite actually.
Oh, is it?
I think so.
Okay,
yeah.
I mean, you've got, as you walk in, you've got this kind of area here, which they call the kids area, which I think it's a bit of a lounge area. I think this converts into a sofa bed, so if you've got a family, you potentially have the bed and everything set out here. Alright, which is quite nice. So it's a nice little area. Personally, probably where we'll dump a lot of stuff. But yeah, come into the main room.
At least we can keep the room tidy by putting everything in there.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is the main room. So come into the room first anyway, just to show you around. So this is the room. Alright. So let's start here. So
Can't keep up with you.
I know. Well, I like to keep things dynamic. So you've got a coffee machine. It's kind of an espresso. It's not an espresso, but it's like what?
Early coffee.
Yeah. What's really good, actually, we didn't realise. So we've had a complimentary bottle of wine and complimentary water. Just get them for the first day, but they're complimentary. Got your safe there. You've got slippers, hairdryer, 2 bathrobes. So the wardrobe is this. This is a wardrobe, so there's no cover, very open plan, if you want to call it that. So you've got the wardrobe stuff there.
Not sure about that.
Got a couple of drawers here, you know, you can put stuff in. Then you've got the mini bar here. It's empty, ready for us to put stuff in.
You can use the app to fill it up.
Yeah, there's an app. The check-in process is a bit of a faff. You have to download an app and then you checked in on the app, but the app wasn't really working. But you do everything on the app: book meals, massages, there's even a live chat function. It's all on the app, so you do all that there.
So what do you think about not having a proper wardrobe?
It's what it is. It's just the style of the room, isn't it? You know, so just accept it and roll with it. You know.
The amount of clothes we bring though.
Well, yeah. Bathroom again, quite open plan style. So you've got your sink outside the room, outside the bathroom, with hand washing kind of lotion there, I suppose. I'm not quite sure what brand that is. So then you've got the bathroom here. So you've got toilet, shower. Shower's a rain shower. Again with shampoo, conditioner and shower gel. Got your handheld as well. So that's all good. It's all good. It's nice and spacious and that. So I quite like that. And obviously you can, if you need your privacy, you can close the door. So that's all good there. So yeah, so let's come back into the main room. Obviously we've got a big double bed. You've got a TV. Control panel. Sorry. So everything's all controlled by this panel. So it's a touch screen thing. So you've got your thermostat, the lights and everything are all controlled through this. Alright, so you can literally master control everything on there. So that was that.
So king size bed, that's where we were at.
King size bed, yeah. Nice. Obviously you've got your nice little spotlights. You get a bottle of water there either side as well. So we've been out to the supermarket. The supermarket's really close. It literally is like 30 seconds walk across the road. So it's really, really handy, really, really convenient to get all your basic supplies like waters and anything you might want. TV, we'll never use it. Alright, so let's go out to the balcony. So I mentioned it was a sea view room. So unsurprisingly, we've got a sea view.
When he finds out to get out.
When I find out how to get out.
We should have rehearsed this.
See, so this is a bit weird. So I've literally got to stretch behind the pillar to grab the handle to open the door. It's not exactly user friendly, is it? But anyway. And here we are on the balcony with a sea view. Alright, so, you know, and the view is really nice. The view is really nice. You know, and it's a big balcony as well. You know, it's a big balcony, a couple of nice chairs there. Not quite sure how comfortable they'll be. But we'll be fine just to sit out and chill. You know, like I say, the view is lovely. You know, you can't knock that view. You know, so the hotel is situated, we reckon, about 10-15 minutes, do we? About outside of Lindos?
No, it's not that far away.
Is it not? Is it not 10 minutes?
Well, Lindos is just over that hill.
Oh, okay, I thought it'd be 10 minutes.
Then about a 10-15 minute taxi.
Yeah.
No, it's not that. It's,
Alright. 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
I reckon maybe 5 minutes max.
So they reckon it's €14 to go to Lindos, €10 to come back in a taxi. Just there you go, FYI. So yeah, but you get, obviously, outside of the centre of Lindos, you get to enjoy the beautiful view like we've got. So that's lovely. So that is, if you want to look, put your camera over, Ryan. We can show the other kind of rooms that you've got. So you've got these are obviously the pool rooms, or the swimming rooms. Not swimming rooms, sorry, but the rooms with pools. Which we could have had actually, but we didn't. We actually fancied the view more than the pool. Personal choice. I think price-wise, I think they were very, very comparable actually. But
Yeah,
we chose.
I think what it was.
We wanted the view.
The pool.
Because they were down a level, obviously.
Yeah, the pool ones didn't have the view.
They didn't, because you're down, so you're literally looking on a wall, which we didn't fancy. So this is 1207 Lindos Grand Resort in Lindos in Rhodes. Let me now show you the rest of the hotel.
So we're at the end of our stay here at the Lindos Grand in Rhodes, and we've had a really nice trip.
It's a beautiful hotel, yeah, it's really nice. I mean, let's just cover off some of the key stuff, shall we?
Yeah. So, I mean, the pool's amazing.
Pool's amazing.
So relaxing.
It's infinity style and it has a great view over, well, it's not Lindos Bay, it's whatever that bay is.
So we'll start with location then, because the hotel is not, strictly speaking, Lindos. But because there is a lot of planning laws, in fact, you can't actually build or renovate anything in the centre of Lindos. So any newer hotels are just over the bay or just over the hillside in another bay. It's probably about 5 minutes, 5-6 minutes in a taxi. You can also get the bus. The bus is about a 10-minute walk away from here. Costs €2.
€2 each way. And the taxi is 14 into Lindos from the hotel and 10 or 12 coming back. Yeah. All right, so the hotel can sort it all out for you. So location is a good location. But it gets you a pool, it gets you a great view of a beautiful bay and stuff like that, and Lindos within 5, 6, 7 minutes. So in that respect, it works really well.
Yeah. It's a really modern hotel. You know, it's when you look at the rooms from the beach, it's a bit boxy maybe, but
yeah, it's very modern, but it actually works really well. And the hotel offers a great selection of different styles of rooms. You've got sea view rooms with just a balcony. You've got sea view rooms with a pool. You've got pool view rooms with both balconies and pools. So it kind of really caters lots of different types.
And the rooms are really big. The rooms are actually more like junior suites.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, because it has a separate living room.
Exactly.
And you've got a really nice kind of open plan bathroom. So it's really, the room itself is really our style.
It absolutely is. Yeah, the balcony is big as well. The balcony is very big. You know, and it's worth saying. I don't know. Have we said this is adults only? Have we said that?
Yeah. So it's adults only.
This is adults. Yeah. I mean, it's the first time we've stayed in an adults only hotel. Quite like it, to be honest.
Explicitly adults. Yeah.
We don't have kids with no plan to do so we're quite happy.
Yeah. I mean, we have been in hotels where they've not had many kids. Been on a couple of cruises where you've not had many kids.
Yeah,
this is the first time being in a hotel that is strictly adults only.
Yeah. Food. So we've only done breakfast and everything here, haven't we? And great breakfast selection. All right. It gets busy, as you can appreciate. So you know, like between 9 and 10 or 9:30 and 10 is are the classes of peak time. So we had to, but we've not had to wait more than 5, 6, 7 minutes, maybe.
Not even that.
You know, so even at the busiest time, so it's not an issue. And you get a choice of indoor in the aircon, or if the weather's nice, you can sit outside al fresco, which is really nice as well.
One of the benefits about staying in Lindos or near Lindos is the fact that it's famous for its rooftop restaurants. So we've not really eaten in the restaurants in the hotel apart from breakfast, but there are several different restaurants for you to eat if you don't want to go out.
There are, and you'll see them on the review. All right, you know. But just a tip from us is do not miss out on going into Lindos at night and having a meal in one of the rooftop restaurants. It is an absolute must-do experience. It's as simple as that.
One or two small things that probably let the hotel down. One is probably the fact you don't get an iron in the room.
We have to ask for an iron.
And you have to wait a little bit sometimes. So we kind of made sure that we ironed all our stuff when we first arrived, which we never normally do. We never do that at home. We never do that when we're away. No. But we kind of recognised we had to wait a little while for the irons, so it's just best just to have it all done.
Yeah, and I don't think there's many irons in the property because we actually got then chased on a particular occasion if we finished with the iron, so because obviously somebody else wanted it, so there obviously isn't many of them. So to mention the coffee in the room. So it's when as you said in our review, we got wine complimentary, we got a couple of bottles of water complimentary, and we got some. Well, it's not espresso; it's Illy in it. Illy coffee. So we got, I think, 2 regulars, a couple of decafs. After they're gone, right? So we appreciated the water and the wine, everything was a one-off. We did not appreciate that we had to. The coffee also was a one-off thing, and it cost €2 per additional capsule. So if you are a coffee lover and you want coffee in your room, be prepared to pay a little bit extra just to get a few extra capsules brought to your room.
We all know that you love your coffee.
Yeah, I love my coffee. Yeah.
Another small thing as well, and it might just be the fact that it's coming towards the end of the summer and the grass is very dry, but out at the very front between the hotel and where the beach is, the grass is
Yeah, it's just
a bit bare. Isn't
Yeah,
it? So
it is,
it kind of takes away from the first impression you get of the hotel from the beach area.
You get used to it. It's not an issue, right? You know, you kind of look past it and you focus on the view of the sea and stuff like that. You know, and it's certainly by no means bad, but it's just an observation, isn't it? You know, I mean, we have loved this hotel, haven't we?
Oh, one other thing as well, and this is not the hotel's fault, it's just nature. The beach is actually pebbles and stones, not sand.
We don't like that, but you know, it is what it is. There is a beautiful sand beach, or further in the island, so you can go there.
Yeah, check out our vlogs because we did find, we got recommended a really nice beach called St Paul's Bay, which is just in Lindos itself. It's a beautiful beach, so if you do like your beach, then take a look at our vlog even, and you know, Google St Paul's Bay, and you'll be able to see how beautiful it is, because it is really beautiful. Back to the hotel, the staff are so nice.
Service has been really nice. Staff have been really helpful, and always have a smile. So I'm happy.
Really fun. There's lots of staff as well.
Yeah, there is actually.
There's a lot of staff.
Yeah, the reception staff particularly very, very friendly. Always go out of the way to help. And from the second we arrived, to be fair, couldn't praise them enough.
Anyway, that's it. I think
that's it.
Anything else to say?
Would we stay here again? Absolutely,
definitely,
and we will be coming back. We will be coming back to Lindos. It's one of our places. We've already decided that, and this hotel will be definitely right at the top of the list for consideration when we do. So that should tell you whether you should come or not. If we're happy to stay here and come back, so should you.
Right, we're off to Rhodes Airport now to get the flight home. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you found it useful, then consider liking it. Leave us some comments. What do you think? Would you stay here? Have you stayed here before? And also remember to hit that subscribe button.
Absolutely. So until next time, catch you later.
Yeah, see you in the next destination. Bye.